Maintaining consistency. Point of view and dialogue. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of creative writing, specifically focusing on maintaining consistency when it comes to point of view and dialogue. Mastering this will make your stories more immersive and believable. Point of view, POV, is the perspective from which a story is told. It's the lens through which readers see and experience the events. Some common POVs are: 1. First person, I went to the market. 2. Second person, you went to the market. 3. Third person, he, she, they went to the market. Dialogue is a direct conversation between characters. It is the spoken words denoted by quotation marks, but also the surrounding context. The POV affects how dialogue is presented. 1. First person, I told him, meet me at the park. 2. Second person, you tell her, I'll be there soon. 3. Third person, Sarah whispered to John, it's a secret. Consistency is the key. Imagine reading a story where the POV changes suddenly. Confusing, right? Here are some tips. 1. Choose your POV carefully. Once you've picked a POV, stick to it. 2. Avoid head hopping. Switching between different characters' thoughts can be jarring unless done with clear intention. 3. Stay true to the character's voice. A character's dialogue should reflect their personality, age, background, etc. Don't make a child speak like a philosopher unless there's a reason. 4. Review regularly. Always go back and read your dialogue aloud. Does it sound natural? Does it stay consistent with the chosen POV? Everyone makes mistakes, but awareness can help you correct them. 1. Changing POV mid-scene. Unless it's a stylistic choice, maintain the same POV for the entirety of a scene or chapter. 2. Inconsistent character voice. Ensure the dialogue of a character remains consistent throughout. 3. Over-explaining. Trust your readers. If the POV is clear, you don't need to over-explain who is speaking or thinking. Consistency in point of view and dialogue is fundamental in creative writing. It not only keeps the readers engaged but also ensures the integrity of the story. We hope this session has illuminated the importance of maintaining consistency. Keep writing, keep practicing, and most importantly, stay consistent. Happy writing!